In this guide, I'll show you how to redeem codes on your Nintendo Switch 2. So from the home menu, scroll down and we're going to open up the Nintendo eShop. Then select the account where you want to redeem the code on. And once this loads, have a look on the left sidebar and we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says enter code. So this is where you can enter codes for game vouchers, Nintendo eShop prepaid codes, as well as Nintendo Switch Online membership codes and other redeemable ones. So at this point, you can enter in the code and then you want to select OK. Then it's going to bring you to this page where it's going to ask you to confirm content to redeem. So you want to scroll down and select redeem at the bottom. Now, depending on what you redeemed, it's going to automatically begin downloading if it's a game, or if it's a Nintendo Switch Online membership, it'll be applied automatically. So here you can see my game card was added because I redeemed a game, and then it's going to automatically begin downloading on my Nintendo Switch 2. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.